Oh, hey guys, how are you? Well, since we're here, I wanted to share with you about my books and how I'm going to organize them today. I think it's good to kind of have a plan to how I read my books, okay? So, I have my chapter book here first. I don't think I want to read that yet. Let me see. You know how I think I'm going to organize them? I think I'm going to do it by the shorter books first and then the long ones last. So let me see. All right, so I have this one. Biscuit, it's a good one. Black Eye, Socks, Myself, and Piggy. All right, and then I'm just going to put the chapter book next to it. So, all right, so now I'm going to have a plan. Okay, so I'm going to read Biscuit first. All right, this will get me warmed up and be ready to read. And I'm in my book nook. I think I'm going to take a little snooze and enjoy my book. I'll see you guys later.